Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Aiyana and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen my face before. I have filmed this video already once before. I have the footage. It was cute. I looked real cute that day. I put on an outfit, I put on my makeup. When I went to edit it, there was no audio. So needless to say, I was very upset, but today I am here live and crusty. I literally just got off of work and I wanted to film this video as kind of like a 1 month update as far as my hair. I'm literally about to take it out right now, so I wanted to film it before I actually got down to taking out these locks. I just want to start with this style was probably the easiest style that I have ever encountered in my life. It was super easy. It wasn't heavy. These are what are known as Bohemian locks. There are goddess locks which are similar to this, but what makes it Bohemian are the little loose curly pieces that are scattered throughout the hair. I found this style on Pinterest. I will show my reference picture right here. I fell in love with it and I was just like, I want to try something like this for the summertime. The easiest thing ever. I thought these were going to be super heavy because I've had box braids before as a protective style, and those were so heavy. I paid like $300 and they only lasted 2 weeks because they were so itchy and so heavy, and I thought these were gonna kind of give me that same type of vibe, and these were honestly really light. There are a couple of different ways that you can install this hair. The lady thought that she could just cornrow all my hair down and then crochet the locks onto my cornrows, which I didn't really understand, but that's definitely a way to do it. And then she saw how much hair I had and she was like, bitch, like, why not do something else? We went with individuals. Some of these are on braid and then some of them are just like the plain black 1B hair. And I just loved like just adding something different for the summertime, you know, spice it up a little bit. I spritzed my hair every now and then to kind of tame flyaways. Also I use like a spray oil to kind of moisturize my scalp. Water every now and then for the loose curly pieces. I really loved this style. Definitely had to recurl some of the loose pieces a few times while having this style in. Nothing to it, just some hot water and some rollers. The only thing I could say that I didn't really like about this style is that maybe it was the way my hair grew, but like you see a lot of the places where I have these gold cuffs is actually where some of my natural hair started to come out of the crochets, and so like I tried to learn how to put it back in, but I couldn't quite figure it out in a way that was like super quick and easy, so I literally just disguised it with these gold cuffs and it worked fine. And also sometimes like just the tangling of the hair, but it's synthetic hair, it's bound to have happened. But overall, love the style. If you live in San Antonio, I will link the girl that did my hair. She's super nice, super friendly, and she comes to you, so that's kind of cool. Like literally the last couple days I have been wearing it like in a ponytail or in like a bun or like doing the half up look. I forgot to tell y'all, but this is what my hair looked like on the first day of my install, and I thought it was super cute and just different and fun. So if you want to try out this hairstyle, I definitely recommend. Sorry, I look so crusty. Like I said, just got off work and really need to take these hoes out. Usually they last 4 to 8 weeks and these have been in for about 6. And yeah, the new growth is crazy, girl. It's crazy. I'm about to take these out and just wash my hair. I'm kind of excited to just like really wash my hair. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say about these Bohemian locks. If you have any more questions about these locks, please leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video or found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because why not? And also follow me on all my social medias. I'll leave it linked down below and at the end slate at the end of this video. And me and my hair say see you next time.